Hey there, guys. Welcome back to another video. Diego here. Hope you guys are having a great day, great afternoon, great night, wherever you are. On today's video, we're going to be looking at affiliate marketing. How am I going to get started step by step? And what do I need to be successful? Okay. So for this one, I had prepared a very nice article I found online. Hope you guys can see that. I'm going to make myself a little bit bigger. Um, so let's get started. What am I gonna do from the moment I decide to start an online business as an affiliate marketer? What am I gonna do? Okay. So first of all, I'm gonna tweak around some of the things um, that this article started, but I'm gonna give it my own twist. Okay. So to start, you're going to create your audience. You're going to decide what you're going to sell. So who are you going to sell? Please write this down, guys. So who are you going to sell? If you didn't see my video on how to choose an avatar for your business, an avatar is your target customer. Please check that video out. Who are you going to sell to? What niche are you in? So are you in fitness? Are you in education? Are you in, I don't know, the cooking niche? Are you in the dog niche? What niche are you in? Then you're gonna start with my other video on how to get an offer, how to get an actual product, how to choose the product. In my video, I used ClickBank, but you can also use JVSU. There's another one. I just X Warrior X Warrior, I think it's called Warrior Plus. I would stick to ClickBank just because it is the most known. It is the one that I trust, the one that I've used. Um, so choose your avatar, choose your niche, get your offer. Okay. Now, what am I gonna do to drive traffic to that offer? I'm gonna start my Instagram page, Facebook page, YouTube channel, blog post, Pinterest account, LinkedIn account, wherever you guys are comfortable. If you guys are great at making TikTok videos, I mean, go for it. Usually, you know what you are good at. So, for example, in my case, I'm actually very good at recording videos and talking to people and creating designs for posts. So I decided to use Instagram because I can show my creative side in video and with post design. So avatar, niche, offer, page. So you started your page. Now here comes this, okay? Now you need to switch your mentality towards this is a business. Okay, so once you have your actual page, you now have a business. It is no longer a side hustle. It is no longer my hobby. It is now my business. So that is very important for you guys to really understand, because people that don't have any type of success and never earn money in the internet, it is because they take it as a side hustle, and they think of it as something extra and something they do on the weekend or whatever. You got to give your business priority. You got to research. You got to find similar products to the one that you're offering to see what is the competition doing. How are they advertising? Are they using natural traffic, organic traffic, or are they um, using are they using paid traffic? Is there advertising on YouTube, on Facebook? Are they using Google Ads? Um, what is the competition's playbook, so that then you copy this and you start your own thing. Okay, so avatar, niche, page, taking it seriously. I mean, offer, page, taking it seriously, shifting your mentality. 6, you're gonna research your competition, research, look for videos, literally type how to start an affiliate marketing business. Um, spend hours watching videos and absorbing knowledge to see what are the best offers, how are people promoting. If you guys go on Facebook and look for affiliate marketing groups, there's a lot of people in the area in Facebook that you can literally copy, um, to see what are they doing. So that's number 6. Number 7, think about what skills are you going to need to actually be successful. So am I going to need to learn how to copyright? Am I going to need to learn how to design posts? Am I going to need to learn video editing? um, do I need to know a little bit about sales? How am I going to treat an eventual customer? How is it going to be? How am I going to actually close the sale? So you got to think in the long run. So what are the skills and the knowledge that you need that you don't have right now? But that's okay. It is not necessary that you have it right now, but it is necessary that every single day you work in your power list to get those skills and that knowledge. Um, Step number 7, branding. So a lot of people, when they're starting a business, they focus on the logo, on the colors, on the font. That is the last thing you do. Okay, just start. Even if it doesn't look as nice, eventually you'll get better. You start creating better designs as you go, but don't hold yourself back just because you don't have branding. I mean, branding is just a cherry on top of the cake. You first have to build your cake, make your brainstorm, grab your notebook and brainstorm ideas, offers, products. Am I gonna create one video, two videos? First think the behind the scenes, and then go for the front desk, which is gonna be your page. How's it gonna look like? What color scheme are you gonna have? What palette are you gonna use? What type of logo? Are you gonna pay for a logo? Are you gonna make it yourself? All of these branding aspects are the 7th or 8th step. It's just after deciding everything else. Okay. And then start posting. All of this that says start getting leads and traffic simplifies to start building your audience. Post content on Instagram, post videos on YouTube, start sending people messages, send 20 messages per day. Just go out there and send people messages so that they like your page, follow your page, um, follow your YouTube channel. So just start actually creating content that is valuable enough so that people actually like you and follow you. Um, and then this is just, again, the extra thing: build your business legally. Um, this organize your books and build your business legally is in the long term. So you're thinking once you're an established business, but you got to start small. Don't worry about that for now. Don't worry about taxation and all of those things on office supplies and all this. I found irrelevant now. um, just start like that, and later on you're gonna have to find a way to automate your sales process. You're gonna have to scale your business. You're gonna reinvest. All of this comes after 1 year or so, um, and you can start thinking about it later. So for me, let's make a quick review. You define your avatar. Who are you selling to? You brainstorm your offer. You brainstorm your niche. What is going to be your niche? You find a great product to promote using ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, whatever you want. Um, you create the page in which you're gonna sell it. I would recommend focusing on one or two. For example, I use Instagram and YouTube. Those are my two traffic sources. Start creating content, um, interact with people. I mean, really get to know who you're trying to sell. Investigate, research your competition, look for similar products. Why are they using? Are they on Facebook, Instagram? Look for people that are actually great affiliate marketers. So if you type on internet, what are the best affiliate marketers in the world? You can see a lot of people that have very good numbers, earning millions and millions of dollars. So start copying them, taking notes, studying them. Then focus on your branding. What is going to be your color palette? What is going to be your logo? So the more public aspect, not the behind the scenes. Stay consistent, guys. You must post every single day. You must hustle every single day. Remember to change your mentality. So don't look at it as a hobby. This is not a hobby. This is a business. Um, think about don't think about I'm gonna work for 1 month or 2 weeks or 3 weeks. No, you gotta think of yourself. I'm gonna work in affiliate marketing until I succeed. It doesn't matter if it's 10 years, 1 year, 3 days, whatever, until I succeed. So don't say to yourself, I'm gonna work for 1 week, 2 weeks. That doesn't work. Just go for it every single day and you'll succeed. Okay. So we went over the steps one by one. I would truly suggest you guys make your research on YouTube. There's a lot of great articles like this one. There's a lot of videos explaining how to start. They go hand in hand with you to teach you. This is a quick overview. Um, just wanted for you guys like to, if you're completely lost and a complete beginner, just to know how can you start literally now. Turn off this video and go start now. And start growing your business. Here in this channel and in my page, we're not looking for a get rich quick. We're just looking for long-term success and stability. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. um Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends. If you have any friend that is actually thinking on starting a business, talk about affiliate marketing with them. Send them to my videos or anybody else's videos. I don't care, just send them to affiliate marketing. It is a super powerful tool if done in the right way. You can start being a complete beginner. Just start. That is the only important thing of affiliate marketing and online business. Doesn't matter if you have a degree in this or that. Just get started and you'll see results very, very fast. So I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next one, and pura vida.